Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we are in Gastonia, North Carolina, checking out Avalon, a new construction community offering a mix of ranch and two-story homes. Now, homes here currently start in the low 400,000s with 8 different floor plans ranging from approximately 1,650 to over 3,200 square feet, offering anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms. And if community amenities are important to you, Avalon has quite a few planned for the neighborhood, including a community pool with a cabana, pickleball courts, a playground, and even a dog park. The HOA is currently $197 per quarter. Now, let's get into the home we're touring today because this is one of the larger floor plans offered here at Avalon. This is the Lawson, a 2-story home with approximately 2,907 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a loft, and a 2-car garage. And one feature I really like about this floor plan is that you actually have a bedroom and a full bathroom on the main level. So if you need a guest suite, space for an older child or a family member, or even a home office, you already have that flexibility built into the floor plan. Now, as soon as you come through the foyer, the home opens up into the spacious family room, which flows directly into the kitchen and the dining area. The kitchen features a walk-in pantry and a large center island. And because everything is open to the family room, this layout really works well if you like to entertain or simply want everyone to be able to enjoy the main living space together. Now, at the top of the stairs, you have this additional loft area, which gives you another flexible living space. You can use this as a media room, playroom, home office, game room, or just an additional family room. You'll also find 2 secondary bedrooms, another full bathroom, and the laundry room conveniently located upstairs. And then we have the primary suite. The primary bedroom gives you plenty of space, along with a walk-in closet and a private ensuite bathroom featuring both a soaking tub and a separate shower. So overall, if you're looking for a home that gives you plenty of space, a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs, additional living space upstairs, and a community with planned amenities, the Lawson at Avalon is definitely a floor plan worth checking out. If you would like more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this home. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.